Now I know you're looking at this and saying, Cliff, I know how to make a burger. I don't need your help. But this is not about the burger. This is about these guys. This is a speed-infused pickle that's done in 2 minutes flat using one of these. Delicious. Pickling used to take forever. People used to cross America and wait for the pickles to be done, but now you're gonna do it in minutes. The base of this is just like any other pickle. We're gonna make a pickling liquid. We are going to add vinegar. I like rice vinegar. Maybe it's because I'm 1 part Asian and I have a bias. Maybe about a cup. We're gonna add mirin, which is the sweet cooking rice wine. And for a little extra sugar to balance out all that vinegar, we're gonna add sugar. So maybe like a tablespoon of black peppercorn. We have whole coriander seed right here, and we're gonna throw about the same amount of coriander seed in as well. For the traditional pickle, we have bay leaf, a couple of coins of ginger. For a little extra heat, a jalapeno, just a couple slices. We're just gonna bring it to a boil. The peppercorns and the coriander and the bay leaf will start to release flavors, and it'll become this kind of homogeneous liquid that you're gonna pickle everything in. All right, so this is now at a boil. We are going to pour it through a strainer here just to get out all the solids and put it in an ice bath. But the reason why we do this is because we want to cool it down, because anytime you want to infuse a flavor, cold is better. Also, we want to maintain the crunch of the cucumber, and we don't want to cook it. When I used to work for Dave Arnold, he developed this technique where you could speed infuse alcohol in this little canister. We did it for a lot of booze applications, and I kind of like was thinking, why not food applications or a pickling application, and made pickles in this, and it was crazy good. So I'm gonna take off this end here, and then we're gonna go about burger patty size, which is maybe about 3 to 4 inches there. This first slice, which is kind of just all skin, you can discard it and put it to the side. What you're really looking for is these planks like this for the pickle, and you wanna go to right before you get to the seeds, because the seeds just kind of like deteriorate the whole texture, just makes it super soft, and what you want is to maintain the crunch. You have your planks, and now we are going to pickle these. Here is our whipped cream canister. There's this machine called the chamber vacuum machine, which you close it, and it does all this flash pickling and stuff, and it sucks all the oxygen out and does all these things, and they're thousands and thousands of dollars. We're gonna mimic that process in here. Then we have our pickling liquid. Put your cap on, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna gas it with the nitrous, the NO2. Cucumbers are porous, that's why they're kind of crunchy and delicious. They have a lot of pores in them, which oxygen exists. And what we're doing by creating this atmospheric pressure, by putting gas in here, is we're forcing all the pickling liquid into the cucumber itself. Slightly roll it around, give it a little help. We're gonna put in a second charge because we wanna put in a whole lot of pressure. If you have the small one of these, one will do, you don't wanna overgas it. And you just lay it down and leave it for 2 minutes. This is super fast, and we're maintaining all the texture in here. So when you eat the burger, it's like crunch, crunch, crunch all the way through, and full pickle taste. You're gonna take a cup over the top and you're gonna gas it. All the bubbles happening in there, the oxygen is releasing. Now our pickles here, they've almost become translucent. Still has all its crunch and tastes like a full pickle. It's a really good pickle. So I made you a promise. These are the best pickles for burgers. We're gonna lay them on top. I mean, just look at the color of them. Like everyone's gonna be like, ah, what is that? And it's like, it's an amazing pickle. I've never seen cucumbers look like that. Special sauce goes on the top of your bun, and you lay it on top. And that is the perfect burger pickle. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Eat it. If you like this speed infusion trick, check out more videos here or here. Maybe one up here. Anytime I get leftovers, I don't want to waste. I want to change it into something new. I want to make it taste different. I want to make it exciting for me to eat.